Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Clash of Clans on your Chromebook. First, you need to enable the Google Play Store. Go to your Chromebook settings, find apps, and then Google Play Store. Make sure it's turned on. This step is crucial as it allows your device to run Android applications. Also, ensure your operating system is up to date for the best compatibility and performance. This process usually takes just a few moments to complete. Once the Play Store is enabled, open the application from your Chromebook's app launcher. In the search bar at the top, type Clash of Clans and press Enter. You'll see the official game by Supercell. Click on it, and then select the Install button. The download size is typically around 200 megabytes, so it might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, the game icon will appear in your app drawer. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up valuable system resources. You can also adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality if you notice any lag. This can significantly improve performance. Furthermore, a stable and fast internet connection is vital for online games like Clash of Clans, preventing frustrating disconnections during important battles. These small adjustments make a big difference. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your Chromebook can often resolve minor glitches. Should the game crash frequently, try clearing the Clash of Clans app's cache through your Chromebook's app settings. This won't delete your game data. Always check the Play Store for game updates, as developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. These steps will help you enjoy your game without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.